Welcome back to AquaPlatycodon. Today, we're diving into Descript, a powerful AI tool that's changing the game for video and audio editing. Whether you're a podcaster, video creator, or content marketer, Descript offers a unique set of features that make editing easier and faster than ever. And if you've been wondering how to add captions to your videos, this is the tool for you. Let's explore what Descript can do and how you can use it to enhance your content. Descript is an AI-powered platform that combines audio and video editing with transcription and content creation. What makes Descript stand out is its text-based editing feature, which allows you to edit audio and video files simply by editing the transcript. It's like editing a document, but your changes are reflected in the actual media. This makes it an incredibly intuitive tool for anyone, regardless of their editing experience. Descript comes packed with features that cater to a wide range of needs. Text-based editing. Easily edit your media by editing the text transcript, making it accessible to everyone. Overdub. Fix mistakes or add new content with synthetic voiceovers that sound just like you. Multi-track editing. Work with multiple audio or video tracks simultaneously, perfect for podcasts and complex projects. Screen recording. Capture your screen and create tutorials or presentations effortlessly. Collaboration. Team up with others in real time to edit and produce content together. Now, let's talk about how to use Descript to add captions to your videos, a feature that's essential for making your content more accessible and engaging. Here's how it works. Step 1. Import your video into Descript. The software will automatically transcribe the audio, generating a text transcript. Step 2. Review and edit the transcript to ensure accuracy. Any changes you make here will be reflected in the captions. Step 3. Format the text as captions. Descript allows you to customize the appearance, timing, and placement of captions on your video. Step 4. Export your video with the captions embedded, or export a separate caption file, like an SRT, that you can upload with your video on platforms like YouTube. Adding captions has never been easier. Descript's intuitive interface makes the entire process quick and painless, so you can focus on creating great content. So why should you choose Descript? It's all about simplicity and power. Descript combines the functionality of multiple tools into one platform, saving you time and streamlining your workflow. Whether you're editing a podcast, creating a video, or just need to add captions, Descript offers a comprehensive solution that's accessible to everyone. In conclusion, Descript is a game changer for anyone working with audio or video content. Its text-based editing, powerful transcription, and easy-to-use captioning features make it an invaluable tool for creators of all levels. If you're looking to simplify your editing process and create more engaging content, Descript might be exactly what you need. Thanks for watching AquaPlatycodon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights.